Hello everyone. So this is Ravi and I will be your Pega CPDC trainer for this course. So I have total of 10 years of experience in Pega and 4 years of experience into CPDC. So in this course, we will be covering Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. This course is for total 45 hours, 40 hours technical sessions. We will be covering the Pega decisioning, Pega marketing technical hours in 40 hours. The remaining 5 hours, we will be going through the projects, resume preparation, interview preparation. All this will be for 5 hours. So total course is for 40 hours. And it will be from Monday to Friday, morning 8 to 8:30 to 9:30. As part of this course, you will be getting the recordings, the PPTs, and the project POC, and also the dumps. Okay, so this is about me. Like, anyone wants to introduce about yourself, why you want to learn Pega decisioning?
Hey, this is Michael Arasu. Is Pega decisioning, is it for beginners in Pega or this is for people, those who have done that BPM course already?
No, if you have 2 to 3 years experience in Pega, that is enough. So you should have at least 2 years experience
Oh,
in
this is
Pega.
only for the Pega professionals, those who are
Correct,
working
correct,
in Pega already. Okay. So I was
correct.
thinking it is for beginners. Okay.
No,
Thank you.
yeah, yeah.
Ravi, my name is Arun. So I'm not a Pega developer right now. So I'm a beginner. So I just want from the scratch I want to learn. So I think this is not the right platform for me, right?
No, you can actually take up Pega training parallelly. Okay. So just opt for Pega training, go through Pega training and also Pega decisioning parallelly.
Okay.
Yeah. So the business expects you to be Pega developer as well, regardless whether you are Pega decisioning or not. Okay, so Pega CSA is mandatory for this course. So whoever is not CSA, please let us know.
Hey Ravi, good morning. This is Amol.
Yeah, hi, Amol. Hi.
Yeah. So this course is not for beginners, as you said earlier. So we can. There are two different courses for the developer and the tester, Pega tester.
Yeah, so this is not a Pega developer training. This is a Pega decisioning training. You have to take
Okay.
a separate course for Pega developer.
Okay. This is
Yeah.
a for beginner only, right?
This is only
They
for
have.
decisioning.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. So any other introductions from anyone? So just what you want to learn, why you want to learn Pega CPDC. So then let's get into the demo. So first of all, let us understand the structure of this course. In this course, I will be covering both Pega decisioning and marketing. The decisioning topics will be started first and later we will go to the marketing. So I will quickly share you the curriculum. So this is the CPDC curriculum that we are going to see throughout this course. If you see this course, we will be covering Pega decisioning first. So you see all these are the Pega decisioning topics: creating decisioning application, decision data, all the strategy, everything is decisioning. After decisioning is completed, we will be going into marketing. Okay, so we'll be going into the Pega marketing, and so overall we will be covering decisioning and topic together in 40 hours, and remaining 5 hours will be project preparation, resume preparation, and interview preparation. You will also be getting 5 hours of job assistance. Once you get into a project, I'll give you 5 hours of job support. So all these are included as part of this course. Now coming to the NBA and NBO. What is NBA and NBO? NBA stands for next best action. Next best action means what? Next best action means the right offer to the right customer at right time. Okay, see, I am a bank user and I am looking for a loan. Now I am getting one personal loan offer through email to my email ID. I will be interested because I am looking for a personal loan. Same way, let us say a customer purchased a laptop and he is looking for a laptop bag. Now the business has to promote a laptop bag because that is what the customer is looking for, which is ideally called as next best action. Next best action means the right offer to the right customer at the right time. See, entire Pega decisioning is related to marketing, okay? Like promoting something effectively. That is what is the overall goal of this decisioning project, okay? Now, what is difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing? So the Pega decisioning has all the features which will cover what is the best offer. Okay, the Pega marketing has all the features which will cover how do we send this best offer to the customer. Okay, so that is nothing but the NBA. So for a particular customer, let us say the customer is uh, buying a laptop. What is the best offer that we can suggest for a customer with laptop? So for a laptop, see, for example, if you take a person, right, who is uh, a customer, okay, let us say a customer, okay, a customer is a bank customer. He has bought a laptop. Okay, he has bought a laptop at XYZ company, or let us say he has bought an let's say not bank customer, it's just a customer of Amazon. The Amazon customer, he bought a laptop at Amazon. Now Amazon has to recommend something related to that, right? Something like a laptop bag. Okay, because laptop, he bought a laptop, maybe he need a bag, right? And maybe they can promote some laptop what you say, some other thing. Okay, okay, so this is called as a next best action. Now here let us say the Amazon is promoting laptop bag because the customer already bought a laptop. This you call it as a next best action. Okay, this you call it as a next best action. So now what the Pega decisioning will do is, the Pega decisioning, it will have all the features to identify what is the next best action. Okay, that means similar customers who bought laptop before, what are they buying means they are again buying laptop bag based on this information. this customer has bought a laptop and he is actually browsing through laptop bags. So the decisioning came to know that the next best action for this person is laptop bag. So the Pega decisioning has the features to identify what is the next best action for a customer. So overall, next best action means the right offer to the right customer at right time. Because see, today he is looking for bags, then he bought the laptop bag after a day after tomorrow. Then it is no use. Even if you promote also, he will not buy. So you have to promote at the right time to the right customer at right offer to the right customer at right time. That is what the Pega decisioning features will have. Now coming to the Pega marketing, the Pega marketing features, what it will have is to deliver this NBA to the customer. So that means in Pega decisioning, I have the features like strategy. Okay, I have models like adaptive model, predictive model. All these features are used to identify what is the next best action. Okay, that means the customer is having some product. What is the next best action so that the customer will make a purchase. These all features will used for identifying that next best action. Now coming to the Pega marketing, here you don't identify anything. Whatever is already identified in Pega decisioning, we have to just send that to the customer. Okay, so this is to deliver this NBA to the customer. So okay, fine. Okay, so this is to identify the NBA. This is to deliver the NBA. Okay, this is to deliver the NBA. So now when I say deliver the NBA, which means through email or SMS or website, okay, through which channel, that is nothing but this NBA that you are trying to see. Okay, in Pega decisioning, we have the features to identify the next best action like strategy, adaptive model, predictive model. Okay, so are you seeing any video? Hello, please turn off video. Video is not enabled, right? Okay, fine. Yeah, now coming to the Pega marketing. In Pega marketing, we have the features to deliver this next best action. So we have SMS. You can send the offer through SMS. You can send the offer through email. You can send the offer through a website. Okay, so all these features are there in the Pega marketing. So that is the difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. Pega decisioning, you identify what is the next best action. In Pega marketing, you identify how do we send this next best action. Okay, how do we send this next best action? That features are there in Pega marketing. Any questions on this or clear for everyone? Screen share is not on. Are you not able to see the screen, guys? Hello?
Yeah, screen share is not visible.
What about others? Can you see my screen or?
Yes, I'm able to see your screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing my notepad. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Just a minute, I'll keep the charger. Just try to log in again. Okay.
Okay. So one question is related to the course that you in the beginning you said marketing is also different things, marketing and decisioning. So are you going to cover both of them in this course?
Yes. So that's what we mentioned, right? So we will cover both decisioning and marketing.
Okay.
Okay. So any questions on this difference, or every one of you clear? What is the difference between decisioning and marketing? Now coming to the typical scenario, how it looks like. So I'm just showing you some visual diagram. So this first icon is the logic that is present in Pega strategy. Okay, the strategy is already having some logic. Now the customer is coming, the customer is seeing the website. In the third screen, for this particular customer, we are showing some particular offer. Okay, in the fourth screen, the customer mentioned he is interested and he is buying this offer in the fourth icon. Okay, second icon, customer is seeing the website, then Pega strategy has generated one offer. In the fourth icon, customer has bought that offer. In the fifth icon, Pega marketing is sending this offer through the some particular mechanism, and happy customers are created. So first decisioning will come into picture, then Pega marketing will come into picture. Okay, decisioning will identify what is the offer for this customer, and Pega marketing will send that offer to the customer. So like this, both decisioning and marketing will go together. Okay, both decisioning and marketing will go together. Now coming to the decisioning portals, what are the portals that are there in Pega decisioning? So primarily we use two portals. See, in Pega we use Dev Studio, right? We use Dev Studio, Admin Studio, we use App Studio. So most of you already know what is the purpose of these studios, and you might have already used this in your projects for developing some particular implementation, some functionality. Similar to this, for decisioning, we have two portals. Okay, first portal name is Customer Decision Hub. Okay, which is also called as CDH. Within the Customer Decision Hub only, you do both Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. Okay, in the same portal we do Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. Now we will see what is the portal, how it looks like, how to access, everything we'll see. Second portal is Prediction Studio. Okay, that's it. Only these two portals we'll be learning to cover the entire decisioning and marketing topics. What is the purpose of Prediction Studio? You will create all the adaptive model, predictive model, and data sets, etc. here. This is nothing but something like a analytics portal for Pega decisioning consultant or for Pega decisioning features. See, analytics portal means, see, for example, you sent one same thing, laptop bag to a customer who already bought a laptop. Okay, so let us say this is the scenario where you sent a laptop bag to the customer who already bought a laptop. Now in the Prediction Studio, we have these models which will be used to analyze why this customer bought a laptop bag. What is the reason why he bought a laptop bag? What is his customer profile? What is his salary? What is his age? What is his income? Due to which reason he bought the laptop? If a future customer with the same customer profile comes, does that customer also buy the laptop bag? All this analysis will be done by these models, adaptive model, predictive model. So the analysis will be done by these models, and it will provide suggestions whether the future customer will also buy or not. So that is the purpose of this Prediction Studio, where it is used for analysis purpose. But the Customer Decision Hub, that is the CDH, will be used for decisioning and marketing related implementations. So these are the two portals that we will be covering throughout our course, starting from tomorrow. Okay, so this is how the CDH portal looks like. You see this image, which is called Customer Decision Hub, also called as CDH. CDH contains both decisioning features and also marketing features. Next is the Prediction Studio. This is how the Prediction Studio looks like. You see this one, Prediction Studio? This is how the Prediction Studio looks like. So the advantage is everyone, whoever is having access to Pega, right, they will be able to access this Prediction Studio also. Okay, for CDH, we need a separate license. Okay, so for CDH, the business has to take a license called Pega Customer Service. So the thing is, if the business purchase Pega Customer Service Framework, okay, if the business purchase Pega Customer Service Framework from Pega Systems, automatically the decisioning framework and marketing framework will be coming together along with that, along with customer service. So you don't need to purchase the decisioning and marketing framework separately. Whichever business has Pega Customer Service Framework license, they will also have these two license also. Okay, they will also have these two license also. They don't need to buy it again. So that is the purpose of this thing. Okay, so that is about this framework that we have. We have two separate frameworks. Okay, one is the decisioning framework and second is the marketing framework. Okay, now coming back. So yeah, first thing what I was telling you, we have two portals, Customer Decision Hub, Prediction Studio. In Customer Decision Hub, we do both Pega decisioning and marketing. In Prediction Studio, we do these models, which is used for analysis purpose. When I say analysis purpose, why the customer is accepting this offer, why the customer is rejecting this offer, what is the purpose of this offer, why customers are behaving like this. Complete analysis will be done in this portal. Okay, so that is the purpose of that. So one more thing I want to cover is, yeah, let's go to that anyways. Okay, so the job opportunities will come to this later, and the certifications. So when you complete this course, okay, when you complete this course, we will give you 100% guarantee for Pega Decisioning Consultant certification. Okay, you will be getting 100% guarantee with the Pega Decisioning Consultant certification. We have two options, with the agent and also with yourself. So we have a inbuilt agent who will help you to complete the certification, okay, and get you pass. Or you can also write by yourself and you can prepare. We will give you that 100% confidence to cover all the topics which are there in the Pega decisioning. Okay, so we will be covering the latest version, which is called 8.7. Okay, which will be covering 8.7 version in this course, which is the latest version, and this is the version that you'll write the exam also. Okay, I will provide you the dumps as I'm mentioning now. I will provide you the latest dumps for preparation of the exam. If you want to write by yourself, if you want to write through agent also, you can do that. That also I will tell you how to do that. So this 100% guarantee will be there from our side for Pega Decisioning Consultant certification. Now that is what I can tell you here, and yeah, so okay, so this is the price. Actually it's not 12,000 now, I think it's around 15,000 now. Okay, 15 or 17,000 is the price now. So I'll help you again during the end of this course, I'll help you how to complete the certification, how to get a guarantee pass, everything I'll help you once we come near to the closure. Yeah, now the remaining certifications you already know, like we have business architect, system architect, senior system architect, lead system architect, and data scientist. So I'm not forcing on this because you already know what are this purpose of this certifications. So if anyone have any question till here, please let me know. Some doubt or some question or something. No one has any question. Okay. So basically this Pega decisioning that we are going to learn, right? It is actually two frameworks are there, okay? Within the same thing, like I was telling you. So first framework is the NBA framework, which is the Pega decisioning framework. Second framework is the marketing framework, okay? Marketing framework. Like I was telling you, right? The difference. NBA framework will contain the features to identify the NBA, that is next best action. Marketing framework will have the features to deliver the NBA, like email, SMS, how you want to send, all these things. Okay, so these both of the things we will be covering in this course. Next, what are the mandatory requirements? So like I was telling you in the beginning of this session, the most important mandatory requirement everyone has to satisfy is to be CSA certified or CSA experience. Okay, CSA certified or CSA experience. This is not mandatory for certification, but this is mandatory for job. Okay, no company will take you without Pega basic experience. At least the company will expect 2 to 3 years of experience in Pega, either certification or experience, but you should have some experience in Pega. Okay, after you learn Pega, then you will go to decisioning. It's not like once you learn decisioning, you will not go to Pega. Once you learn Pega, you will come to the decisioning. That is how you need to do. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. If you are not CSA certified or no experience in Pega, please start learning parallelly. Okay, start learning Pega CSA also parallelly. But don't learn decisioning first and then don't go to Pega. The reason is, just because you are saying decisioning consultant or marketing consultant, only 70% of your work will be in decisioning or marketing. Okay, but the remaining 30% of work will be in Pega only, like data transforms, activities, case management, okay, flows, flow diagrams, flow actions, all these things you have to create, which you do in Pega. So only 60 to 70% of your work will be in decisioning. Remaining 30 to 40% will be in Pega only. So if you don't know Pega, then the company will not take you and you cannot do anything in the project. So first learn Pega, then come to decisioning, or
Yeah.
you learn both of them parallelly. That's what you have to do.
So when do you think is the next Pega training class is likely to begin?
I don't know. You can check with Harsha Trainings actually. Okay,
Okay.
with the organizer, they will let you know.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, boss.
Yeah. So yeah, like I told, just learn Pega, come to decisioning, or you can learn both of them parallelly. You can learn this today and one time this one and second time that one, like that. I mean, different timings, but you have to learn both of them. Now coming to the other requirements, like I told you, 2 to 3 years experience is required, but not mandatory in IT. Just Pega experience is needed. Next, what we have is Java experience is advantage, but not mandatory. So if you have Java experience, HTML, CSS, that is good. But even if you don't have also, no worries. Like I told, only mandatory thing is learn Pega or you will parallelly learn Pega. Fine. Next thing, how do we practice Pega decisioning? Okay, what is the how to practice? So the thing is how to practice now. So what are the different ways? How do we practice? So first thing what you can do is, I have two ways. First way is you will be using Cloud Edition. So what I will do is I will share you the link to cloud and you can access the CDH from the cloud. Second thing is using personal edition. That means if you have personal edition installed in your laptop, you can learn through personal edition, but you can only learn decisioning topics. That means in your personal edition, all decisioning topics are there. Okay, all decisioning topics are there in your personal edition, but marketing topics are not there. Marketing features are not there in your personal edition. So until we start Pega marketing topics, whatever is there in Pega decisioning, you can still learn in your personal edition also. Okay, see, like around for 20 hours, not 20 hours, around 15 hours, we will be covering decisioning only. Remaining 25 hours, we will be covering marketing. Okay, so for this 15 to 20 hours, you can actually learn from personal edition. But we recommend using Cloud Edition. We recommend using Cloud Edition. So let me share you that cloud link. So what I have to do is come here. Just I will go to this link. This is the link. I'm sharing it in the chat to everyone. Please go to this link and bookmark this link. Okay, everyone, please go to this link and bookmark this link. You log into this link, then what you have to do is click on this launch button. Okay, first you have to log in. After logging in, you have to click on the wake up button. Okay, so you have to steps like this. Okay, first you open this link I shared you. This is the link. First you log into the PDN. Okay, log into the PDN, then click on wake up instance button in that page, in that URL. Then third one, click on launch instance button. Then you will be getting a screen like this. Okay, then you will be getting a screen like this. Now what you have to do is just click on this first button. Okay, just click on this first button. After you click on that, it will ask for a login, user ID and password. The user ID and password is decisioning architect. So I'm giving this credential in your chat also. Password is rules. So after you click on that button, it will ask you for username and password. Okay, so if you see here, you will be getting a login screen like this. So you see this is the login screen, and I am giving the username and password in the chat. So please go through that and just log in. That is decisioning architect. Password is rules. Okay, decisioning architect, password is rules. So just use this username and password and you just click on the login button, which will open the CDH for you. So this is how you need to practice the CDH. The only disadvantage is you have to take backup every day. You have to take backup every single day. So whatever you did today, you take the backup again. Okay, so every day you have to take backup. So how to take backup, that also I'll show you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll show you how to take the backup. Because whatever you did today, tomorrow it will be removed by the Pega. Okay, tomorrow it will be removed by the Pega. So that is the reason you have to take the backup and again you have to install the backup. It will just take you 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. So this is how you can practice. You can see here, this is the customer decision hub, how it looks like. You will start learning all these features which are there in the left side. Okay, so is it clear how to practice for everyone, or any questions you have? Any questions, guys, from anyone? Okay. So I hope that it is clear for you. I shared the link in the chat. Just click on login, click on wake up, then click on launch. Then give the operator ID and password I shared in the chat. Then you will be able to access. Okay, then you will be able to access. Now coming to the next thing, which is the software requirements. So for example, if you are installing Pega in your system, then you need to basically have this is the configuration that you need to have. You need to have minimum 20 GB hard disk space and all. See, you know already. You might have Pega personal edition already. So if you have Pega personal already, you can do that. Okay. So this is about the thing. Now, what is the project that we are going to learn? So from tomorrow, we will be taking some end-to-end real application, right? That application I'm going to tell now. So a bank that is called XYZ Bank, they want to promote various services and products such as debit cards, credit cards to the customers. In order to promote these products to the customers, the bank wants to use Pega decisioning framework. So we are going to help this bank to create that project here. Okay, so what we are going to see is we are going to create a banking application. We are going to create a banking application called XYZ Bank, which is going to promote debit cards, credit cards, personal loan to their customers using Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So that is what we are going to see from tomorrow. Okay, so this is the introduction to the Pega decisioning and marketing. Just to reiterate what we have learned today. So just we understood what is the next best action, which is nothing but the right offer to the right customer at the right time, which is taken care by Pega decisioning. Pega decisioning has the features to identify what is the next best action. Pega marketing has the features to deliver this next best action to their customers. We have two portals in the course, CDH and Prediction Studio. CDH has decisioning and marketing features. Prediction Studio has analytics portal, which means analysis kind of features like adaptive model, predictive model. Then in order to learn Pega decisioning, we need to have Pega CSA certification or basic Pega knowledge. At least 2 years of Pega knowledge is required. Then we have seen the certification related things. I will give you 100% guarantee on the certification. Either you can write yourself or you can write with the help of an agent. I will provide you the dumps at the end of the course so that you can learn the CPDC and write the CPDC exam. Then how do we practice daily? We have two options, Cloud Edition and Personal Edition. Cloud Edition means you access the URL I gave you, you click on the launch button and you give the username and password. Personal Edition is used only for learning Pega decisioning. Whatever Pega decisioning feature is there, everything is there in Personal Edition also. But Pega marketing features are not there in the cloud in the Personal Edition. For Pega marketing, you have to learn from cloud only. Okay, how to access the cloud? This is the URL, and click the login to that. Click on wake up, then click on the launch button. You will be getting one icon. Then you have to click on Pega CRM suite, Pega CRM suite button. It will ask you for the username and password. After you give username and password, it will show you the customer decision hub. So this is what we are going to learn from tomorrow. Okay, before we close, any questions from anyone?
Okay, Ravi, like, is this part of CRM only?
Yeah, it's part of CRM only.
Okay, okay.
Hi Ravi, this is Swapna. Uh, are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
All right, okay. To practice it on a personal edition, you mean can we use the prediction studio to practice them, the
Yeah, yeah.
decisioning
Prediction
concepts?
Studio is also there. Prediction Studio is also there in Persuasion.
Do
Okay.
we need to use the prediction studio to practice the decisioning concepts?
Yes, yes, we have to. We have to use.
All right, okay.
So that's
Thank
what.
you.
So thing is, the Prediction Studio is completely decisioning analytics portal. Okay, whatever decisioning related analytics it will do. Pega decisioning analytics portal. Now I told you like Pega decisioning can be used in personalization. So entire Pega decisioning you can consider that it is there in personalization also. Okay, so that's the reason Prediction Studio is also there in personalization. You can
All right.
practice decisioning here. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, Manvit here, sir.
Yeah. Hi,
Uh,
Manvit.
yeah. Sir, actually, how much Pega need to be learned before learning CPDC, sir? Like, need to complete
Just
all
to
the
CSA.
uh,
CSA.
CS, yes.
Just go
Okay.
certificate.
That means, is it prerequisite or parallelly I can learn, sir? Like,
Parallelly
before
you can learn.
starting CP? Okay,
No
sir.
need. No
Okay. And how much coding required, sir? Like any background of
coding. No coding. No coding.
no
No
coding.
coding.
Okay. Okay, non-IT people also can learn CPDC, sir.
Yes. Yes.
No,
Yes.
like yeah, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So non-IT like any background you can learn. Only thing is you will
Okay,
learn
sir.
Pega also parallelly.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. Any other questions from anyone?
And also, how what exactly the job opportunities now, sir? Actually, uh, uh, you said a Pega is required. Is it related to Pega only, or CPDC requirements are different, sir?
The CPTC requirements are different.
Different. Okay, and they are eligible for Pega also, sir. Pega
Yes.
requirements
Yes.
also. Okay, sir.
Okay. So like I told you guys, so from tomorrow it will be 1 hour, 8:30 to 9:30. Please join by 8:30. We will be covering till 9:30. Same link, same time. Okay, so we'll start the CDH concepts from tomorrow. See you all tomorrow.